This is the CASA-ELAN panel bed with the Murphy mechanism. This comes with a sofa attachment, which is an option you can have, or you can have the same bed without the sofa as well. Remove the cushions, get them out of the way, and you have the bed. Pull the bed down, hold it, push the legs down, and you have a fabulous queen size bed with a very high quality mattress, a padded headboard. Pick it up. The main thing about the health and safety features in this bed is that the springs are balanced perfectly. So wherever you stop pushing the bed, it remains as it is. It doesn't fall down, it doesn't go up with a bang. Perfectly safe for children, for old people, for little people. Anybody can use it easily. Push the cushions back onto the sofa and you have a bedroom that is now a living room. This is great for studio apartments where you want to be able to entertain friends and family in the morning or daytime and still have a bedroom at night. Visit us in Al Quoz 1 in Dubai, where we manufacture these beds. We supply to Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait and Saudi Arabia. CASA-ELAN Wallbeds, Dubai.